I keep hearing that you're about to witness God's prophecy. You're about to witness a miracle. You're the next on God's wish fulfillment. And I just got a confirmation on my phone. I hope you can feel this shift. I hope I'm praying for you to feel the magnificent energy. Since we enter 2026, everything is different. I've been witnessing hundreds of rainbows for the past 3 weeks. I was witnessing rainbows after rainbows after rainbows. Please leave me a comment if this is happening for you. No matter where you are, please let me know if you're seeing rainbows, because we are gifted right now the power of the rainbow frequency, which for me is the ultimate gift from God. These flames 111 on the screen are sacred. They represent the archangels, the ascended master. They represent the power of God. You can use different flame, the violet flame, the pink flame, the golden flame individually. But I'm hearing that when you visualize the rainbow energy surrounding you, you're so protected. You're so protected. Today, I really want to help you on your manifestation journey. And I want to help you remove anything that is not love, light, and truth within your system for you to be able to witness this miracle. So please close your eyes, and I'm going to operate some energetic surgery on your system to release any blocks you might have in your chakra system. Close your eyes if it's not already the case. Connecting in a deeper scale to your field. Surukwa si okoto nodotorowa ikiria na azereya no wasaraya kamoweya taraya no towaka. I keep hearing it's already done. It's already done. You have to manifest from the law of assumption. You come from very far, and I know that for a fact you're chosen. I am attracting in my channel chosen, generational curse breaker, star seed, light workers, healer. You've been through a lot. You've been wondering when this breakthrough would come. And you remember that when is not your business, it's God's business. You're supposed to just feel the energy of what it is that you want around. You have to be without having what it is that you truly wish. You have to be a vibrational match to the frequency of your desire. And here on that journey, I am here to help you live in that state of consciousness for the universe to collapse into your desire. Ara. Removing the blocks, helping you go through the process of fear. I'm hearing, because this is through the process of fear that you're going to reveal yourself. Remember that the goal, the purpose of existence is to live free out of fear, found peace within. Only when you break free from the fears. So when the fear is happening, thank you for the confirmation in my phone. When the fear is occurring in your life, bless God that you have the strength to go beyond that fear. This is how you reveal your strength to this world. This is how you remember who you truly are. And I am here. There is other beautiful soul on this world that they are helping you move beyond your fears. They're just illusion into this matrix. Remember, they built this matrix out of fear for you to rest in the place of low vibrational frequency, for you to stay stuck in the low astral world. Remember that when you face fear, I'm hearing must, it's so interesting what I just heard. I've heard that for most of us, what we fear the most is death. And each time you're going through the process of fear, living the fear, you are going through a little death until you become friend with that process. You become fearless. And this is when you can manifest from your authentic self, not from the wounded perspective that still have fear within the system. So again, blessed fear when they come. Jump into it. Feel you're going to die, because at the opposite of the tunnel, where the light is going to emerge in your system, you're going to rise like the phoenix, and you're going to feel alive. Reborn to yourself, the true authentic self, not the wounded self, not the fear self. I'm hearing drink these frequencies, light language. You're going to witness this miracle. You're going to feel so grateful, because you actually already are in a state of being so grateful, thankful for what you have, no matter what you have or no matter what you are right now. Aligning you with what you truly desire. It involves that you're going to face some fears. I'm here to help you find this fear, because sometimes when the trauma, when the memory is so strong, it's a shock, and the subconscious is just absorbing the emotion for your own protection. It's self-protection. But my mission is to help you declutter and go beyond the subconscious, to bring back this souvenir, to bring back this memory, to bring back this trap emotion that is keeping you stuck, for you to face it. Right? For you to go beyond it. Yes, it hurt. And yes, you're feeling you're dying. But for the sake of rising from the ashes and becoming yourself and feeling free and feeling peace and feeling love and experiencing God, because God is fearless. God is love. And the opposite of love is fear. I love you so much. You desire the best for yourself, and I am here to help you bring that into your reality. If you want to dig deeper, please access my masterclass from my website to help you break free. Smashes, I'm hearing these fears for you to break free. Andra the breakthrough is coming. I keep hearing you've been so patient, you've been so strong, you're mentally a champion, you're a hero. I see you, I honor you, I value you. Until next time, namaste.